Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I cleaned up this Jess Mold doll. I really don't know what truly mean number she is or if she is actually a Jess because she has been rewigged, but I'm not really sad about that because the wig that she came with when I got her is really kind of nice. I really like it. It's very, very long. I just need to adjust it a bit because I think it was pushed too far from her forehead. So I really didn't like it the way it was positioned. So I just needed to remove it for a time and then I glued it back on. But anyway, I thought that I would not be able to show you even this much because, to be honest, this is just a portion of the footage that I shot when I cleaned up this Jess Moldal. This was supposed to be like more than 10 minutes, but I accidentally deleted some of the footage and by some sort of miracle, I was able to salvage this part. So that's why I was still be able to show you something when I cleaned up this doll. But anyway, so enough of that. I'm just happy that something was left. So I was not able to delete all of them. So just as usual, I'm just cleaning her up using a magic eraser that I dampened with water and yeah, so she doesn't really need much work, except that, I have to reposition her wig. And I think there were some stains, but I'm not really going to be worried about those right now. I might work on them in the future, but not right now. Anyway, I'm not sure what the weather is in your area, but here in the Philippines where I live, it's really very, very hot. Like, I'm not talking about just warm, it's hot. So, I don't know if we're in the middle of El Nino or if this is just a regular summer, but I'm really missing the days where the weather is kind of cold. So, although I already had a suspicion that this will happen, because usually, well, in the past, if you have a cold December or January, the summer is going to be very, very cruel. So, yeah, Taylor Swift, Cruel Summer. But anyway, what's important is that you're keeping yourself hydrated and you are taking measures to, put some sunscreen on your face when you go out. Like me, I'm already in my 40s, so I have to make sure that I put sunscreen on my face because I don't want to look even older. So yeah, and I always cover up. I'm now in the like West in the US or even in Europe, people are not really used to using umbrellas when they go out. They only use umbrellas when it rains. But here in the Philippines, where we prize white skin or at least fair skin, we really, really do not come out without any umbrella. So I always go outside with an umbrella in hand, and of course I also wear a hat. And then it's good that it became popular to wear um, like face mask because that also helps in making sure that the harmful rays of the sun will not, you know, damage my skin even more. But yeah, and also because in the past I've been working doing the graveyard shift. Now I work during the daytime, so the downside to that is that you have to go out when the sun is out. And for me, being a person who does not really like to go out when the sun is out, that's a bit of a problem, but I'm getting used to it. Okay, so it's not like I have any uh, thing that I could do about it. Of course, I need a job. Who doesn't need a job? But going back to this doll, so I named her Vainlil after this European tale about a smart girl who, you know, has outsmarted her uh, like oppressor, someone who's trying to do her harm. So she was able to turn the tables, and that person suffered for thinking that he can kill her. So I am really interested in those kind of stories where the female is very strong and she is able to get the upper hand. So I like naming my dolls after those kind of characters, strong females. So yeah, so I'm really hoping that I will be able to have a new doll someday soon so that I can continue to make this kind of videos because these are the types of videos that I really like doing. I like fixing up dolls and the more TLC the better. Anyway, I'm going to show you the finished product. So here's Vain Lil. As you can see, her hair is very long. It almost reached her feet, and I really love that about her. I really like long hair. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this short video and see you in the next one. Bye!